Sit down, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
Today we are going to discuss the points which were studied in the last class. Okay, anybody? Which topic was discussed in last class?
But about the causes of global warming.
Who is going to tell the causes of global warming?
Ma'am, deforestation.
Ma'am, air pollution.
Ma'am, releasing of chlorofluorocarbon.
Okay, now children, enjoy your lunch break. It is lunch break. Some students have their lunch in the class itself and some other students leave the classes for the tuck shop. First, let us take a view of a classroom. Now, let us take a view of canteen and school ground.
Brother, give me 2 packets of cornflakes, please.
Which one you want? 5 rupees or 10 rupees?
5 rupees.
This is your cornflakes.
Thank you.
Welcome. Sister, give me some fruity, please. How many fruities you want? Only 2 fruities. These are your fruities. How much? 20 rupees. Thank you. Brother, give me a burger, please. How many burgers you want? I want 1 burger. This is your burger. How much? 10 rupees. Thank you. Welcome.
Recess is over. Let us see. The classroom is looking very dirty. How teacher reacts. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Settle down, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh my God, what a dirty class. What have you done? The floor is now draggled mess, stumbling over peels, pouches and wrappers. My God, the room is laying in a shuddering litter. The bottles are knocked over and the floor is looking like a puddle of water.
Anchal has done this, ma'am.
No, ma'am. He himself ate an apple and threw the leftover part on the floor.
Ma'am, she was peeling the skin of banana and she threw the banana skin on the floor.
No, ma'am. He was peeling an orange to eat.
Please stop playing blame games now. And can you sit in this mess? Is it looking good for your studies? Do you like it?
No, ma'am.
So pick this refuse and throw it in the dustbin. When dustbin are in the class, you ought to use it.
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
This is your history period, and in this chapter, we are going to understand about the drainage system of Mohenjo-daro. One of the most striking features of the town is the well-planned drainage system. It gives us an insight into the Harappans' concern for hygiene and sanitation. Smaller drains from the houses emptied into the main drains.
Now the school is over and the school transport users are leaving the classrooms to board their buses. Come on, children, and get into the bus. We are getting late. Oh, you are having fun flip.
Yeah, will you like to have it?
Yes.
Yeah, delicious.
Let me throw the pouch out of the window.
Don't throw it on the road. Somebody may slip down. Moreover, it will add to the littering.
Oh, leave it yaar. Who cares?
Hey children, what are you doing? Don't throw the waste on the road. You have littered the bus also.
Where should we throw it then?
You can put it in the dustbin, which is available in the bus. Remember, you should always throw the rubbish in the dustbins only. If it is not available, we should keep it in our bags itself, and where we find the dustbin, we should dispose it in the dustbins only.
The school bus has returned to the school. It is found badly littered with pouches, wrappers, peelings, paper plates, etc. And conductor goes to the principal madam to report his complaint.
May I come in, madam?
Yes, please.
Madam, I have a complaint.
What is your complaint? Please tell.
Those who are using the school transport, they have some eatables in the bus itself and throw the rubbish in the bus and sometimes outside the bus through the window.
Oh, it's really bad on their part. May I come in, madam? Yes, please. I have a complaint. The litter, the classroom and ground badly during the lunch break.
Oh, I see. Do one thing. Please arrange a counseling session in the morning assembly by the coordinator. Meanwhile, let us set some strict rules against the practice.
Good morning to one and all present here. As Principal Ma'am has said, today we have counseling session. May I invite respected coordinator ma'am to tell us something about cleanliness in schools? Welcome ma'am.
Thank you, Dia. Good morning, everybody. Today, I'm going to tell you something about importance of cleanliness in schools. Cleanliness is next to godliness, says Gandhiji. Surrounding always creates a conducive atmosphere for all work, and it keeps us healthy. If we are working in unhygienic environment, that may cause illness, and we feel lethargic, and we don't concentrate to our work. We can follow the examples of cleanest role model countries like Iceland, Switzerland, Costa Rica, Sweden, United Kingdoms, Canada, United Arab Emirates, Mauritius, etc. as they have very strict rules to maintain an excellent cleanliness in their countries. So, your school management has now set some strict rules to maintain cleanliness in the school. For example, heavy fines stay back and helping the cleaning staff. Now, I hope you will be well aware of your social responsibility towards cleanliness and appreciate aesthetic values, cooperation and sharing. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you ma'am for sharing your valuable inputs with us. Now let us witness the impact of this counseling on the students.
Good morning, children. In last class, we did tenses. Now let us take a practice of tenses. First of all, make a sentence using present indefinite tense.
Ma'am, I go for a morning walk every day.
That's good. And now, okay, enjoy your lunch break. Now, the teacher comes to the classroom and finds it neat and clean. That is the effect of counseling and awareness, and class is going on smoothly.
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Settle down, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wow, today your classroom is looking very nice.
Yes, ma'am. Now we have understood the importance of cleanliness.
Ma'am, now we shall follow the examples of cleanest countries of the world and keep our country also neat and clean. Cleanliness of our special school makes us think we are a fool. Why didn't we think over it before? I think it made us roar. Our school is now spick and span, even the toilets, buses and those vans. Students, teachers and helpers have cleaned all the school as I dreamed. Thank you.